Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal Universal School. Today I am going to take a class for class 4 and today's topic is oral sheet practice. We had practiced our 1 to 5 name question our before class. So dear student, today we will practice rest of the 6 or 7 question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 question. We have practiced 5 question before and today we will read the 7 question. So dear student, when I will say the question, you listen those question very carefully, and when I will say the answer, say it with me. So dear student, be attentive and look at the board. Question now 6. How to make secondary color? Explain. Answer. The mixture of primary colors makes secondary colors, such as mixture of yellow and blue make green, yellow and red make orange, red and blue make violet. So dear student, listen again very carefully and say with me. The mixture of primary colors make secondary colors. That means red, blue and yellow when meet each other and make another color, that's called the secondary color. Such as mixture of yellow and blue make green, yellow and red make orange, red and blue make violet. Question number 7. What type of art pencil do we need for sketching? Answer. For sketching we need 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B pencil. Again, question number 7. What type of art pencil do we need for sketching? For sketching we need 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B pencils. Question number 8. What is the meaning of HB pencil? Dear student, say with me. HB means hard black pencil. The H represents hardness and the B represents blackness. Say with me again. HB means hard black pencil. H represents hardness and the B represents blackness. Question number 9. Say the name of color that you often use when you draw something. That means when you draw something, which type of color do you use? You know very better that which color you know, so that when you will give this question's answer, you say it as your wish color. So here we mention do yourself. That means which color you use, you say those colors names. If you use only red, green, blue, you can say 3 colors. If you say 7 colors, you say the 7 colors names, but more than 4 colors you will say. Question number 10. What is the full form of vibe here? Answer. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Again, question number 10. What is the full form of vibe here? Answer. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Question number 11. How is the effect of light and shade created in drawing? The effect of light and shade is created easily by using the grades of shades of color. Again, how is the effect of light and shade created in drawing? The effect of light and shade is created easily by using the grade of shades of color. That means when you want to make understand us how to create the drawing and the effect created in drawing. First you draw, like if you draw here a picture, here is the sun, that means light is here. you don't use a dark color, and you use dark color this side. Okay, dear student, I hope you all have understood. Question number 12. What is the meaning of HB pencil? This question I have said before. You know that the meaning of HB pencil is H represent hardness and B represent blackness, and HB means hard black pencil. That means you don't need to read this question. This 12 nung question is repeated. You won't need to read this. So dear student, look at the board. I have given you a SW and SW number 8. You should mention the SW number and the topic, and topic is a house or heart without color. So dear student, do your assigned SW and submit those SW at your school every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm. Don't forget to submit your SW because your SBS city and diary marks also depends on your SW. So dear student, stay at your home, abide by your parents. No more today. Thank you.